Mike, the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Today what I have for you is just a little tip and something that I found to make things a little bit easier. Now it may not seem like much, and probably people have their own ideas how to do this. I'd like to hear that down in the comments. But I'm going to show you now how to open a can of Seafoam, that pesky little tab, quickly and easily. I don't know how many of you, after you've opened this, maybe you don't have a problem, you don't struggle with that little tab in there, but I can never grab it. No fingernails. I've actually taken needle nose pliers, got in there, taken the hooked pick and did it, and for some reason it just seems to be a real pain in the butt. So I'm going to show you the way I do it, which I think is pretty easy and pretty slick. So let's see if it actually works. It works most of the time pretty easily, but we'll see. So what you want to do is you want to have it with that little tab that's holding it on in the back and the open part of the tab towards the front. You want a heavier cable tie. You take it, you can pry up a little bit, you put it in there, and you carefully pull forward, and it's open. No, it don't seem like much, but I'll tell you what, it's time saver. And to me it's quicker, and I always have these cable ties around, but just make sure that you use one of these thicker, wider cable ties that's a little more sturdy to get underneath that tab. And that's how it happens, just that quickly. So if you use Seafoam now, you have an easier way, what I think is an easier way to do it, and open that little tab. Works for me, as long as you do it the right way. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching.